And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Well, really since last week, we've had a really positive what we call EPO, East Pacific Oscillation. And in that pattern, you take all the mild Pacific air and take a really fast jet stream, push the jet way north, and have very fast zonal flow from west to east across Canada, and you basically bathe the U.S. in overall mild weather. It's not overly warm in the south, but in the north, it's quite mild. And, for example, in this kind of pattern, we got to 47 degrees on the U.S.-Canadian border up here in Minnesota over the weekend. So what's left of that Pacific air is here, so it's nice and mild still, very dry. But the moisture is beginning to come in from the Gulf, moisture from Hawaii. We've got a storm here, and here's a chunk of bitterly cold air that's been tapped and is being pulled southward. So you get the idea, eventually the cold's going to roll eastward, and we really have two storms here that will bring us some rain and thunder to the forecast, and yes, the risk of an isolated severe storm Wednesday night, early Thursday morning. But in the meantime, it's just a lot of wind tomorrow. The winds may gust 25 to 35 right through early afternoon. Then later on in the day, gusts 35 to 44 at times out of the southeast. The air is very dry, but we will get a few showers to make it down to the ground midday-ish through mid-afternoon. There'll be a period of a few showers there. And then after that, it's just mostly cloudy with a couple sprinkles, and more widespread showers come in tomorrow night. There are the highs tomorrow, 54 to 58, going to do it viewing area wide. Wednesday, low 50s in the morning, but look at that, 63 for the high in the afternoon. We go from mostly cloudy to mostly sunny, but a howling southwest wind gusting 32 to 45 miles an hour. The thing is, I went for highs of 56 to 66 because up here it does appear, unfortunately, the low clouds may hang on. In the southeast, we may end up with a lot of sunshine, so that's why it'll be so much warmer down here compared to up here. But everybody's going to be mild. Now, I'll show you this here with Futurecast. Again, the high and the mid-level clouds coming in. Here we are tomorrow. There's that little wave of a few showers, then a little bit drier in the evening. Here's the rain shower action tomorrow night. Maybe a couple rumbles of thunder. But look at Wednesday. There are the low clouds. Howling southwest winds, but the low clouds are here, so cooler up here compared to down here. The low clouds try to move back northward. And then we've got rain and a few storms Wednesday night, Thursday morning. Best chance of severe weather is going to be right here, but we may have the risk of an isolated severe storm. And temperatures will be falling on Thursday with even a few snow flurries and snow showers later on in the day. With total rainfall from all this, a lot of the areas a half to 2/3 of an inch, maybe a little bit more in our southeast counties. 60, but then falling into the 20s later on Thursday. 20s Friday, lows in the teens. 58 Monday, warmer next week, but then we're back down to the 30s on Thursday.